This video covers the Acolytics core concept of prime numbers. So, let's go over some definitions. What exactly is a prime number? Well, a prime number is a number that has exactly two positive factors, one and itself. So you know that if you have a number that has more than two factors, it's not prime. Another thing to note is that the numbers 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. So if we think about it, how do we tell if a number is prime or composite? Well, we can only know if a number is prime by knowing what its factors are. And we only know our factors if we know our multiplication tables. So that's why it's really important to know your multiplication tables. So the quick point or hook that we're using for this exercise is which wand. And the wand points in the direction of what type of number we have. So in this case, it's either prime, composite, or neither. So the numbers 3 and 5 are prime because they only have factors of 1 and itself. 15 and 51, however, are composite because they have more than two factors. Now we can find out what the factors are of each of these numbers by using factor swings, which we'll show in the next example. Another thing to know is that divisibility rules can be used for finding if a number is prime or composite. So another thing to note is PR1me means prime is a product of 1 and me. It's an easy way to remember that a prime number only has two factors. So, let's use our mouse pointer as a pen to do our examples. So, we need to show that 3, 4, 5, and 15 are either prime or composite by using factor swings. So let's do it for number 3. So we'll draw a 3, put it in a box, line here. Do this for number 1. Since that's a factor of all numbers. So 1 times 3 gives us 3. And no other numbers can go into 3. So that makes this a prime number. So let's do this for 4. Show it this way. So we have a 1 here. 1 times 4 gives us 4. What other numbers? Can 2 go into 4? 2 can definitely go into 4. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. And those are all the factors. So since there's more than two factors, we know that 4 is composite. So let's do number 5. So number 5. So we have 1 here. 1 times 5 gives us 5. So let's think about it. Can 2 go into that? No. 3 can't divide into 5. 4 can't go into it. So 5 is a prime number. And now let's do it for number 15. So 15. We have a 1 here. 1 times 15. 2 doesn't go into 15. 3, however, goes into 15. 3 times 5 gives us 15. And those seem to be all the factors. So since we have more than two factors, we know that this is composite. So that means that 3 is prime, 3 is prime, 4 is composite, 15 is composite, and 5 is prime. Hope that helps.